Alright guys, we're at Mossman Gorge.
Yep, we just got the shuttle bus here. That was
$12.30 per adult.
Yeah.
And it takes like 7 minutes on the bus to get here.
Yeah.
And then 7 minutes back.
Yeah.
And we're just at
Rex Creek Bridge.
Alright guys, we're at Mossman Gorge. We just did the big 2.4 kilometre circuit and now we're doing the 500 metre circuit. Hey everyone, we're at the Daintree river crossing. About to hop on the ferry to get over to the Daintree Rainforest and Cape Tribulation. I'm going to do a bit of exploring around the rainforest and the beaches today, so it should be good.
We're on the ferry. It costs $31 for a return trip and it's about 5 minutes on the boat. Super quick, so yeah. Done some research and this is Australia's biggest rainforest and it's the 4th biggest in the world, so it's pretty cool.
And we're just at Cow Bay Beach now, which is...
We had a bit of a yucky day, but most days it's raining, so this is a good day.
Yeah, the weather for the whole week is raining and today was the best day. It's a little bit overcast.
We're gonna go spot a croc.
And yeah, it's got to be careful because there's crocs on the beach and in the water here.
So we are at the Mudja Botanical Walk. This little map shows you. So this is where we crossed the ferry this morning. We then went to this Mount Alexandra lookout. We then went to Cow Bay, and then we went to Thornton Beach, and now we are here at Mudja. So slowly making our way up to Cape Tribulation, which is all the way up here. And yeah.